In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Steam desktop password. This walkthrough uses the Steam desktop app, so have it open and make sure you're on a stable internet connection. If you're already signed in, this is the fastest and most secure way to change your password. If you aren't able to sign in right now, complete Steam's recovery prompts on the login screen first. Then follow along here to finish the reset from your account settings. Start by opening the Steam menu in the top left corner of the app window. It's easy to spot and it's where all your core app preferences live. From that menu, choose Settings. This opens a panel with categories on the left, designed to help you manage everything from downloads to privacy. Select the Security section. This is the hub for protecting your account, and it's where you'll find options related to passwords and verification. Take a second to familiarize yourself with what's here, since it's helpful for future security checks. Click Change Password. Steam will immediately ask how you want to verify it's really you. Choose the option to receive a code by email if you still have access to the email linked to your account. Steam will send a one-time code, check your inbox in spam or junk folders, and keep the settings window open while you retrieve it. Enter the code exactly as shown. After verification, you'll be prompted to create a new password. Pick something strong and unique. Aim for a long passphrase with a mix of characters, and avoid reusing passwords from other services. A password manager can help you store it safely. If you no longer have access to your email, select the option indicating you don't have access. Steam will guide you through additional verification steps based on your account's existing security settings. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully and provide only what Steam requests. When you're done, confirm the change. If Steam signs you out on other devices, that's normal. It helps secure your account. Finally, return to the security section later to review your protection settings and keep your account locked down.